No chance, bro, that I will give pravachan on rest in peace physics. Logic is definitely missing in Bhagi, Bhagi 3, but definitely the insights and process, hard work, blah blah blah. As we all know, Corona has badly affected our country, and to give a tough fight, Pickpock has joined the party. I took a pledge on New Year that I will stay away from Pickpock and even their actors. Obviously, Dolly ji, they are good actors, so no need to shout.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
But look what appeared as soon as the movie started. I would have preferred watching these Totka videos. Bro, I would have preferred watching mostly sin Prajakta Didi. Truth is like a Karela. Best part was when these two grew up. Watching Mr. Tiger is better than watching. Also, how can someone be so champu? Mr. Ritesh's character gave a tough fight to beat Pappu. Champu and Pappu rhymed rapper Vanjo Bancho. No need to speak on same rubbish topics. Physics laws, logical scenes. This is Bollywood, and upon that this was an massy audience film. This was expected. Calm down and let's get deep down cracking the insights and hard work taken behind this project. Number 1. The temperature challenge. Whether it comes to any sports or bodybuilding, even running, the most essential basic things you need is to first keep your body warm. Or in simple words, a good warm-up is required to break the day with a healthy workout. In summer, it's quite easy to break out the sweat, but in winter, things are very difficult. The same challenge was before Mr. Tiger to perform the action scenes, not in winter, not in 0 degrees Celsius, but in shivering -7 degrees Celsius temperature. Cricketers very well know how painful it is to catch or field a leather ball in winter season. To get going with the flying kicks and stunts, action directors played a very crucial role, but it was Mr. Tiger's strong mental state to just focus on bringing out the sweat at any cost. For that, he was continuously trying his back kicks, hitting the punch backs, and once he gets a sweaty muscular look, the next moment was the ready, steady, po and action moment. Hats off sir for your effort, but still the film was cringy. Number 2. No time. I don't know what pulled Mr. Sajid Nadiadwala and his team to run so quickly like dogs are behind them. Obviously, jaldbazi kyo. But the time to start its shoot and the release date were too close, same as the new relationship between 14-year-old Nibba Nibbi. In such a short span of time, using the VFX team or going for post-production of the movie was not possible. And action scenes take a lot of time if you go for harnesses and other public faking equipments. But Mr. Tiger, the backbone of Bagi franchise, has always stepped forward to perform all the action scenes by himself in a short span of time, but with proper stunt masters to make things easier for him on the sets. 90% of the action scenes were performed by Mr. Tiger, leaving the helicopter Diwali Dhamaka illogical scene. But still I don't get the point why these guys are in a hurry to just earn in crores and create garage. I mean garbage. I know I am only talking about action, but what was there living action in this film? Number 3. Syria controversy. Nowadays I am talking about silver screen theaters, film writers. They write very well, keep on writing, and suddenly what kind of Kanchana Bhoot enters their body, the story plot is straight away connected with Syria. I mean, two brothers, everything is fine and okay, yet undigestible script. But in the second half, what? Kya? Kyun? Kaise? From where did this Syria enter?
हद तो होती है, कभी कभी रुक जाते होते हैं.
It's just like an YouTube trending video. What's going on in the market? Okay, Syria. Just take it and put it down. The controversy was obvious because in many films the image of Syria is portrayed as a terrorist country, which is 100% true, but the guidelines, the UA certificate doesn't allow this if you cross the limits, because this can be actually dangerous for a country. You know what I mean. As expected, Mr. Sajid Nadiadwala faced some tough questions and this might be one of the reasons to avoid the trailer launch event. Might be, but the hot side of controversy survives for just couple of weeks and everything was fine later. Number 4. Switched. Baghi 3 script was ready, no doubt Tiger was the lead and followed by actor leaving the role of Mr. Champu. Sajid's search mindset was to go with an actor who has already performed this kind of role, in short, childish guy. But more than a character on set, you need to know that actor closely to get him deep down in his character for what actually I want.
समझा?
Mr. Sajid had already worked with Ritesh sir for more than 5 times from Hey Baby to Houseful franchise. Sajid sir called Ritesh Deshmukh, explained him his character and clearly stated this one is challenging because Houseful 4's character was something like this. And now you need to be like this. In short, a beautiful journey from becoming Mr. Paisu to Koi Mil Gaya Rohan. But Ritesh sir worked very hard on 2 things. One was shouting and second was shouting plus Ronnie is equal to Raju! Jokes apart, 1 second.
Jokes apart.
I loved the character of Sasta DJ Khalid. Number 5. Annoying beeps. A big challenge before writers that is increasing year by year is to write a family friendly content.
ये पारिवारिक स्ट्रीम है.
Without chichoragiri, third class jokes and abusive or double meaning word plays. Because every Vivek Oberoi has a Salman Khan before him and your Salman is censor board.
स्वागत तो करो हमारा.
The moment you go out of the box, you are censored or C certificate, B certificate, A certificate, about 18 certificate are handed to you. I mean, more than the movie's length, there are these ABCDEFGH certificates which creates an entry barrier to write creative scripts like the whole Netflix market.
इंसान है कि भगवान है.
Mr. Sajid and Ahmed Khan with the creative minds finally came up with a solution why to use beeps and this all janjat.
बरोबर सर.
Instead cut that bad word ending with a beep, for example teri maa ki beep, and Shraddha ji was trained for this to go with the flow, putting mud in the eyes of the whole censor board. Wow, glad that in 2020 people are coming up with this, calling it humor. Number 6. Ahmed, क्या बताए यार बंगी 3 में, I mean बागी 3 में.
और क्या बताएगा?
चिल ब्रो, ये देख तू इस पार्ट का टेंशन ले रहा.
तो और क्या,
पावा बागी 4 का स्क्रिप्ट है अपने पास.
मेरे पास.
क्या बात कर रहा.
फर्स्ट पार्ट गर्लफ्रेंड को बचाया, सेकंड बेटे को, थर्ड भाई को रख देते, फोर्थ में डायरेक्ट
क्या
डायरेक्ट जादू को बचाने भेज देंगे. वैसे भी टाइगर को ऋतिक पसंद है, उसका काम ये कर डालेगा. #ब्रिंग बैक जादू.
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप. ऐसी पिक्चर बनाऊंगा स्टार्स दिखेंगे, स्टार्स.
थिएटर से निकलने के बाद.
I kill my enemy one round, fighting everybody one mouth.
Currently this movie is affected badly by COVID-19 but was successful to collect 96.16 crores, which would have gone till 150 plus crores if COVID didn't pull their legs. Time for wrapping up this video, but till that be pumped up, work hard, God bless you all, bye bye till the next video.